How to get a web receipt on Cash App. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to get a web receipt on Cash App. First, open the Cash App mobile application, just like you can see here. You will land on the home page of the app, where there are various options and sections. From them, make sure you go to the bottom menu where you will see various options. From those options, tap on the activity icon. It is this icon here at the bottom right corner of the screen. Make sure you are following the tutorial step by step to avoid making any mistakes. Okay, let us proceed. On this page, you will see your transaction history. So what you have to do is tap on the one you want to get a web receipt for. After you tap on it, this other page showing you more information about the transaction will appear. To see the web receipts, there are two options. The first option is to tap on this feature here named Web Receipt. After that, you will be able to view it. The other option is to tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen. After doing that, this other page will appear at the bottom of the screen. From the options that appear here, make sure you tap this one named Web Receipt. After that, you will have an option to either save the web receipt to your phone file, or you can share it with others through the file sharing apps you have in your phone, such as social media files. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you were facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks, that is how to get a web receipt on Cash App.